you ride a motorcycle, it's the most beautiful view you can hope to get in Lagos. It's the marina to your right. Most companies have their headquarters there, and that would mean it's the most valuable square inch in Lagos. And then it's the metro station to your left. That, of course, is the most valuable project ever in Lagos. This has to be the most beautiful view. It's the only view that sees you riding right through the skyline of Lagos. It's like you're riding in the middle of the skyline of Lagos. I mean, like every other great weekend in your life, it's a short-lived thrill, but it's the most beautiful stretch in Lagos. Very smooth, quick dash, very predictable. If you're a biker, then that's where you want to be on a Sunday evening, riding through the skyline of Lagos. I believe there is no other city in Nigeria where you would get that view. It just has to be the most beautiful stretch of road to ride your bike in Lagos.